Hey everyone, welcome to my Thanksgiving Plan with Me session. Today, we're diving into both my personal and business planner featuring the Canva whiteboard. I'll be walking you through each section, showing you how I plan and organize for a fantastic Thanksgiving season. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Canva whiteboard. It's an incredibly versatile tool for all your holiday planning needs. The whiteboard includes a clock, countdown, calendar, to-do list, and links to both personal and business planner. Plus, it's fully customizable to match your style and specific needs. Now, we are going to start planning in the personal planner. First up is the monthly planner. I'm setting up key dates and events for November. Next, I'm working on my to-do list. I'll add all of the tasks that I need to tackle before Thanksgiving. Now on to the cleaning checklist. This helps me stay organized with everything that needs to be done before the big day. Next is the setting the table checklist, which ensures I have everything I need for a beautifully set table. Moving on, I'll work on the organizing decorations checklist to keep track of all my decor items and their arrangements. Now, I'm updating my Thanksgiving shopping list to track what I need for cooking and decorating. Next, it's time for my Thanksgiving menu planner, where I'm selecting the dishes I want to serve for Thanksgiving dinner. I'll also plan out my Thanksgiving cooking schedule to keep me on track in the kitchen. And now, let's move to my Thanksgiving habit tracker, helping me stay on top of my goals during this busy season. Next is the Thanksgiving projects section, where I'm planning out several Thanksgiving-related projects. Next, it's time for the Thanksgiving gift planning section. This is where I keep track of everything gift-related for family and friends. And now it's time to plan out the Thanksgiving party or gathering. I easily organize all the details in the party planning section. Lastly, for some Thanksgiving recipes. I've added a collection of seasonal dishes I want to try out this year in the Thanksgiving recipe collection. Now, let's switch over to the business planner. First, I start with the holiday expense tracker to ensure everything is within budget. Next is the holiday gift planning template, where I can outline gift ideas for my clients and employees. Then, I'm updating my holiday marketing expenses log, tracking all my marketing efforts for the season. Now, it's time to plan out my business holiday content using the holiday content calendar. This helps me stay organized and ensures I'm sharing festive content with my audience. Now, I'm working on my holiday email newsletter templates. I decide on the subject lines and the special offers to engage my audience during Thanksgiving. Next, I'm detailing different holiday sales and promotions and marketing channels to maximize my business impact this holiday season. Then, I'm adding details for holiday vendor contacts, including contact information and their services for the season. After that, I plan out any holiday events, to ensure everything is ready to go and organized. Now, I'm brainstorming ideas for the holiday customer appreciation campaign, including exclusive discounts and gift giveaways for my customers. Next, I'm tracking gifts for employees and clients in the holiday gift tracker. I record the gift details and delivery statuses to stay on track. Finally, I'm planning out the decorations for my workspace to create a Thanksgiving-inspired environment. And that's it. We finally finished planning out our Thanksgiving season. That was so quick and easy. That wraps up our Thanksgiving planning session using the Thanksgiving planner made for Canva. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to start your holiday planning, you can. Just get your copy of the Thanksgiving planner today. Wishing you and your family a beautiful Thanksgiving, happy planning, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.